Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log in to Clearscore account. To log into your Clearscore account is pretty straightforward. First of all, open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in clearscore.com and search. You will then find yourself in the official website for Clearscore. Clearscore is a financial technology company that provides credit scores, reports, and affordability scores for individuals at no cost. It is a popular tool for people to understand their financial health and make informed decisions about borrowing. Once you get to the official website, to sign into your account, go to the upper right corner and click on the login button. Once you get to the login screen, you will then need to type in your email address and your password associated with your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on the sign up button in the main homepage or clicking on create new account and following the instructions. While typing in your credentials, first of all go ahead and type in your email address associated with your Clearscore account, and then on the next field type in your password for your account. If you are having trouble remembering your password, click the forgot password link and follow through the on-screen instructions. After filling in your Clearscore login credentials, if you remember this particular browser or device, check this little box at the bottom. If you are using a public or a shared device, make sure to leave the box unchecked for your security. Finally, click the login button and you will then be able to sign into your Clearscore account in just a couple of steps. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.